Artificial intelligence can support productivity growth, create new jobs, improve services, strengthen public administration, and promote innovation. However, we must recognize the risks. As highlighted in recent research on AI and the future of work in Kenya, a study that was led by Brother Bruno, many workers engaged in digital labor value chains continue to face significant challenges.
We have taken an approach of whole of government approach where we have to work with the other stakeholders and agencies to ensure that this technology is put in place for the interest of advancing the growth and the strengthening of the labor market sector.
This is why we have embarked on a mission to ensure that our affiliates understand artificial intelligence, our shop stewards understand algorithmic management, our negotiators understand work data, our researchers understand digital labor platforms, and our organizers know how to reach workers who may never enter a conventional factory or office.